Once your Eats driver app has loaded up, you now can enter your username and password. You would have been issued this information via email when you've been accepted as an Eats driver. Confirm that you've also got the Remember Me ticked. This makes it easier for when you log in next time to your app. This is your main home screen or dashboard to your driver app. This is where all your new notifications will come through to, new orders, new delivery information for that day. Along the top, the bell icon, that is your notifications. For any push notifications that come through, all that information will be here. If you end up in this page, you can simply click on the notification and that will take you through to that task that had come through. The next icon along the top is your calendar. The calendar will show you past orders and deliveries. You can click on any one of those calendar delivery icons there to preview tasks. The three dots is your menu. In here you've got profile. You can click on your profile. If you don't already have a profile picture, you can simply click on the profile picture icon. Select a profile picture or take one with your camera and upload. Once that is complete, you can just simply click Update Profile. Confirm all other information is correct. And then click on Vehicle. In here, confirm that the information is correct here as well. So you can look at your description of vehicle, license plate, colour, etc. If there is something not correct here, you can just simply click on that section and change. And then update. Next one along is your password. This is where you can change your current password to a new password. This can be done as many times as you like, anytime you like. The important thing with your app is if you're not on duty, you don't want to get notifications of a delivery in your area, make sure that you've got the off duty switch clicked to off. Otherwise, switch on. You are now on duty. You are now in the Eats driver management system, ready to get an order nearby. When an order is placed at a restaurant near you, a push notification will come through like this with a vibration alert. You will also receive an SMS. If your app is in the background, you will receive a sound like this. Here you can see that a new order has come through. You have 1 minute to assign yourself to this order. If you let this order go after 1 minute, it will then reassign to another driver nearby. To assign yourself, just click on the order and you've got the option now to accept and leave now. You can also have a look at the information of who it is. So for this pickup detail, it's for Fred's Burgers and it's got the address of where it's at. So here we can accept and leave now. By clicking accept and leave now, notifies the merchant that a driver is ready and has left now to go and pick up the food. They are now preparing the food, so it is important that you are on your way to pick it up. Further information from this page, you can get the address of the restaurant by just clicking on the address, which will bring up a map. And then you can click on View Direction, and that'll give you detailed directions and GPS of how to find the location of the restaurant. Once you arrive at the restaurant, you can simply tell the merchant that you're an Eats Australia driver and that your task ID is 207, as it is on this one, or if they require an order ID, you can go down and view order details, and their order number is 282, as can be seen on this. Once you have the food, simply click on Picked Up Food. Once you've clicked on this, this also notifies the customer that you are on your way with their food. For directions to the customer's location, you can simply click on the customer's address. Click on View Direction. And that'll bring up the directions of how to get there. It is also important to check the order details. There may be other information here that the customer has put on there regarding the delivery. As you can see here, the delivery instruction is, please knock on back door. So there may be a reason why they don't want you to go to the front door. It's also a location name. It could be a business that it'd be going to. So the location name might be a business name. So it's always important on delivery to always check on the order details for just some further information on delivery instructions. Once you arrive at the customer's address, just simply click on Arrive at Customer Address. Now you're ready to go and deliver your food. Walk up to the house, knock on the door or whatever the delivery instruction instructs you to do, present yourself as an Eats driver with their food, and your task is done. Congratulations. Once that's finished, just click on Successful Delivery. This notifies the Eats system that you've successfully delivered the food, also notifies the merchant that you've completed the delivery, and another message will go to the customer stating that you have successfully delivered the food and they have the option of rating your delivery. You can now close your driver app and you will still be notified when the next delivery is in your area. Please keep in mind, if you do have more than 2 or 3 deliveries at once, you don't have to keep accepting deliveries. You can decline a delivery and it will go on to the next driver. It may be that you are closest to the restaurant when an order's been placed. If you're busy, you have to keep in mind the freshness of the food that you are delivering. So sometimes having more is not best. So feel free to decline an order or let it pass to the next driver. Also, if you receive a notification and you actually are unable to take any orders or any deliveries at this time, please make sure you turn your app to off duty by simply clicking the little button up above like this to off duty. This way you will not receive any notifications of any orders until you're ready to do so again. Just turn back on to on duty. Another important thing is each night at midnight the apps refresh. So each day make sure you go back into your app, and if you're already on duty, all you have to do is swipe screen down and it'll refresh the page for you. This reloads you back into the Eats driver system. If it's a new day, it'll have a refresh button in the middle of the screen. It's important to do this each day to check your driver app if you are expecting deliveries. If you have accepted a delivery that you did not want, or you have made a mistake, or you need some assistance, please contact your local Eats support person. You will have this information given to you in your email.